AMC stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is AMC Entertainment holding stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1-minute video. Now, looking and generally just observing AMC, I'm looking to double down on this effort. You know what I mean? Like, because beforehand, this such a beautiful buy. I'm not even exaggerating. Here it is. Now, before I get into the details, no one else in the space can say they've done 43,000 videos because I'm the only one that has actually documented them. And no one else is doing this amount of volume. It was sitting at $3. I was aiming for like 340. This delivered very nicely. Now, after that, like simply now, pre-market is here. The only thing that I would care though is if the price comes a bit deeper to like 350 or whatever. And only then I'm looking to buy. And other than that, it's all pure noise. So that's how AMC is looking like. So let me know what is your opinion. And if you want to get my money making emails and insights, just click the first link in the description. Obviously, I will continue to keep you updated. So other than that, there's really nothing else that I'll be adding here. It's all pure noise. So let me know what is your opinion. See you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.